All right, we're here at Joshua Tree National Park. It's beautiful here. Look at these mountains. Look at these rocks. I haven't seen anything so cool. So we're just taking pictures right now. We got to get a pass. This is September 29th, 2020. What? There's no snakes, man. The snakes are hiding. All right, so I'm filming on the GoPro Max. I have some great panorama shots, taking some photos with this. This is awesome. This is the trail to the Barker Dam. Wow. Let's see if you can see this. I like that log. That is really cool. I like these bushes. All this stuff is really cool. So, let me see. We're still recording. I don't see the preview anymore. Heading over here. I want to take some pictures of this. These rocks are amazing.